Welcome to Calver, the Digital Creative School. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Create Together livestream. Episode 14, if I'm not mistaken. And maybe some of you heard the the intro song now that I created. I hope you like it. You'll hear it every time now. But I might still change it a little bit. Like I'm happy with it, but I feel like it doesn't sound that clean yet. It sounds a bit noisy. Oh, I feature you heard it. What do you think? How do you like it? The opinion of a musician. But yeah, we will look. I just checked out the Discord server, and we don't have any new submissions from the students today. So I think we will just go straight into starting the weekly challenge. I gave you guys the information about that yesterday, and it's about a little bunny guy. Ah, nice. I feature says, I think it's super funny. The song sounds nice. Ah, thank you. I like it. Yay! I'm happy you guys like the countdown song. Alright, let's check out the challenge. So, this week I want you guys to make something with this little bunny sculpt I created. I think like a year ago I created this one. It was part for... I wanted to do an art installation with at my gallery that I had a year ago with an artist, a Berlin artist, Yuka, together. And we kind of like were just like figuring out what can we do together. And I opened up a VR sculpting app called Medium, and just sculpted this little bunny there on the spot spontaneously. I think I think it only took like 10 minutes or so. We were just like getting in there, putting shapes in, cutting other shapes out. It was really fun. So yeah, this week I want everyone to just do their own artwork, do their own version of this bunny, and just have fun with that bunny alien thing. And with that, I think I'm just gonna open up the project file that I sent everyone. If you want to participate in the challenge, you can go into the messages here. I've got the Blender file right here, so you have something to start with. Yeah, you've got time until Sunday night. Because on Monday, in the Create Together live stream on next Monday, we will look at the submissions and select the winner. Wait, where's this? Bunny challenge, here we go. Open that up. Okay, so. Alright, what can we do with this bunny? I kind of like already did a little bit of jamming, right, when I created the original artwork for the challenge with like the bunny floating in space with some cool edge light. But I want to do something, try to do something very different. I think I'll try with creating an interesting shader for this bunny. So I guess I'll just start a completely new Blender setup and just copy over the bunny itself. It's really cool with Blender. You can just copy paste with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V between Blender files to only get the objects that you need. So I'm just gonna Ctrl+C, select the set collection, Ctrl+V, and it's there. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. Okay, and then just go into the shading view. Something also I wanted to kind of like challenge myself and everyone in this for this week's challenge is to use Eevee Next, Blender's new or updated render engine, right? Everybody knows Eevee, but they updated it a lot to look much nicer. So yeah, I'll switch my render engine completely to Eevee and just work on that with that one. Alright, okay. So is there any setting I should from the beginning kind of like set up for Eevee? I just want to make sure that I'm using all the highest quality settings. Let's see. Volumes, I guess. Let's increase the resolution a little bit. for the volumes, the ray tracing, also highest resolution. Yeah, still real time, denoising, yep. I guess we can also, yeah, I just want to bump up all the resolutions here to get the nicest image possible. Okay, yeah, let's just keep it like that for now. Just at shadows. I don't know what that does, we can try that out later. Alright, so I want to create a cool shader for this bunny. I've also heard that we have some real-time displacement now with Eevee, so let's try that out. I'm gonna get a noise texture in here. I'm just gonna plug that into the displacement. Will it do something? It did something, but it's not real geometry displacement. Maybe I need to enable that in here. Settings. Okay, what is this? Blended? Is this the alpha? Oh yeah, this is the transparency, I think. Oh, it looks completely different. Divid and blended. Oh yeah, it looks completely different. Okay, wait. Where is... It's displacement. Oh, here we go. It's texture. Ah, here, displacement. Displacement and bump. Ah, nice. Okay, yeah, we got some real displacement happening now in Eevee. That is very cool. Right, but that means I need to do this on the normal so it doesn't just fly everywhere. Bum. So I think we do that with the bump, right? We put that into the height, and then we use this normal for the displacement. Okay, something is not working. Do I need to put something in here too? Normal? No, just normal. Okay. That doesn't help. What am I missing? Why is it pink? That's usually only when there's a texture missing. That's a little strange. Maybe we can plug it into this normal here instead. Okay, then we get the kind of like the bump, but I think if you want to have like real geometry displacement, it needs to go into this one. Wait, if I use the color input. Ooh, that looks crazy. Damn, I mean, didn't it used to work like this? Like just using this bump node and putting that into the displacement. I'll just try to, if this doesn't, yeah, if it becomes pink again. Yeah, pink. Okay, let's just do bump only. Compiling shaders. Yeah, then it does the bumping. So why doesn't it work for the displacement? Unsupported displacement method. Oh, okay, so it's just unsupported. That's kind of strange. Why though? Why is it unsupported? Because it is from normal to normal, right? Let's see. Normal map. This works. Okay, wait. Maybe if I put this into the vector and then this to the displacement. Still does the weird thing. Okay, wait. Let's try the bump again. And we feed in the normal map here and the height here and then this and there. No, it's not supported. I find that very strange. I'm trying to figure out how to get some real displacement happening here. Oh, this also doesn't work. The strength. What happens if we change this here? Also nothing. Space. That's strange, but okay, let's just check if in cycles, if it works. If I'm just like doing the correct thing in general. Okay, so we got that, and then usually I would use the bump and then just put that in here. Distance. Okay, it's not really doing what I wanted to do here either. Okay, I'm starting to really be confused. Because usually this worked, I'm pretty sure. Model map. It just doesn't do anything. Yeah, this does the same as Eevee. But usually this does the right thing. But it just doesn't do anything. Huh. Does this just not work anymore? Is this a bug? Oh wait, displacement bump. Yep. Samir says, yo, sorry for not being there today on the stream, being a bit busy with some work. Not a problem, man. All chill. Thanks for coming by anyways, even if you have some work to do. Yeah, I'm honestly pretty confused. If anyone has a idea what's happening here, I mean, I'll just open up the old version of Blender, just check if this is me or actually a Blender bug. Yes, Samia, we started learning Touch Designer today, and it's so difficult, man. It's such a different program. I didn't really get any result at the end, but I really want to get back into it and like learn it, because there's a lot of applications I can use it for. You used it last December with Unreal Engine. Ah, okay, interesting. What's the connections you can do between Touch Designer and Unreal Engine? Okay, so we are in Blender 4.1 again here now. And let me just put the displacement in there. So, bump. Okay, then I just want the noise texture. That goes into the height. Okay. Doesn't do anything. Settings, bump, displacement and bump. Okay, we got some displacement happening now. Ah, but this does the same. Oh, okay. I thought I always did like this. I guess I only used it for the normal here, not for the displacement. Because the real actual displacement I used very sparingly, because it's a little yeah, difficult to get working, because you need a lot of subdivisions, right? It's not very automatic. So how would I use this to actually displace something then? Displacement. Okay, does this do the trick? Right. Oh. Oh, okay, use the displacement, not the The other thing that I had. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if this works then. Okay, so instead of so I would switch back to Eevee, and instead of the bump, I'm using the displacement. Okay, put that into the height. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Okay, that's just something we needed to figure out. Yeah, but yeah, we've got real displacement now directly in Eevee, which is super cool. Yeah, honestly, that's really cool. Shader displacement. Someone says there was an event in India and they wanted to control the custom lights, DMX lights and stuff. They touched there to make patterns, and those patterns were integrated with Unreal Engine in real time. Nice, really cool. Yeah. So you know the basics of touch design. Oh man, it would have been so cool to have you with me on the last live stream. Yeah, that would have definitely helped. And we were able to make patterns with lights in the auditorium and control them in real time. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, I definitely want to learn Touch Designer for like real-time art installations and stuff like that. Okay, cool. Alright, what kind of displacement? I think I want to get some like Voronoi. I want to get some kind of like techie displacement. Maybe I want to make it a tech bunny. Let's see. Yeah, just want to see. This looks for now. Let me get a color ramp. Color ramp in here. Just make it constant. Let's see if we can get some cool shapes going. That's kind of cool. Maybe this white. No, wait. Oh, make this black. Yeah, I want to get like kind of like little streets like this. Then we can use this for the height again. Displace that. Ooh. Okay, wait, the mid-level should be 0 though, so it gets extruded outwards. We can also add more geometry with subdivision, right? Yeah. Oh, I guess that's a feature that we don't have in Eevee, right? With the adaptive subdivision, where it divides by the screen space from cycles. Let's see. Yeah, adaptive subdivision here, but I don't think that's a Eevee feature. Nah, not too bad. Does it actually make a difference? It doesn't. Oh, I need to enable viewport visibility, probably. Yes. Interesting. Quite interesting, yes. Very interesting. I think I want to get it a little bit bigger, a little thicker. Actually, I want to have it a little smooth. Yeah. Or maybe the other way around would be cooler, to have it as it's kind of like little indents. pretty interesting. Yeah, I think I like that more with like having this little indents into the geometry. Yeah, that's a bit cooler. For this week challenge, I'm gonna use Blender 4.2 Eevee next. Yes, exactly, man. Few people challenged me to do something then. Few people challenged me to do something other than Unreal Engine. Gotta show them. Gotta show them your Eevee next skills. Yeah, I mean we're all gonna develop our Eevee's next skills together in this challenge, so I'm really excited for that. I like it a lot up to this point. It's really cool. I'll make it a little bit more detailed, maybe. Roughness. Actually, no, roughness is cooler. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Then I want to reuse that that displacement texture to also give the displaced parts a different color. Yeah, let's try that. So we should be able to use this as the base color and then really easily get black inside. Yeah, alright. That's kind of interesting. I want to make it glow though. And I want to clamp it more. So I'll use another color ramp. Here we go. And then constant, and I just want the very, yeah, just the very, wait, oh, now it's using, oh, that's actually pretty cool too. It's like coloring the walls of the input, or the, so this way we can cut it off. So I want it to, so this way it would only be the very middle, which is really cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But I want to make it glow, or maybe we just put that directly into the emission. Strength. Oh, it should be the other way around. Damn. Vert color. That's cool. I like to always put Fresnel on top of the emission, because otherwise the emission can feel very flat most of the time, right? So I put here, with multiply we can control the strength of the emission. I'm gonna make it pretty bright. So I'm gonna enable the compositor, because I always have my nice glow effect in the compositor. Oh, but it's much slower with that. Oh, why is it so slow with this? That's not normal. It used to be real time. No, let's keep it for now. Okay, so we got the color, Fresnel. Yeah, I want to multiply that actually with the Fresnel here. So that way we just get a little bit more detail in the glow. Yeah, kind of like this, and then increase this a lot. Yeah, so I think this looks much more interesting immediately, where you have like this roll off of the emission. Yeah, especially here, look like this looks so interesting. Very cool. Okay, I'll keep it disabled for now, because for some reason it's pretty slow. Okay, so we got that. And then I'm gonna make it a little bit more colorful maybe. Let's see. Yeah, color's actually kind of cool. Oh yeah, like turquoise, that's cool. And then this color, what's a good mix for turquoise? Silver's already pretty cool. That's kind of nice. That looks kind of cool. Okay, I want to give it a little bit of like edge wear. I think we can get that with the geometry information, right? Is it the pointiness? Let's see. It's not the pointiness. Or maybe it is. Maybe we just need to clamp it off a lot. It's not that. No, it's not that. Point. What information was that? Is it layer weight? It's just basically a Fresnel. Okay, and facing, what's facing? Okay, so yeah, okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. Facing is just like what the normal is of the surface towards the camera. Object info. Pretty sure it was pointiness. Geometry. Must have been pointiness, right? Okay, what else? I want the pointiness of the surface. Let's try again. The color ramp. I don't see any differences here. Looks like just the same color, even though like if you look at this, oops, like these parts here should be a different color, right? Because they're more pointy, and that's what I would expect. I was also thinking of doing some kind of like geometry nodes simulation with this. Have it appear something. I mean, how does it look if we animate the Voronoi actually? Oh, very interesting. Well, not so much my style though, maybe. Feels a bit weird when it's moving. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use displacement much more now, now that it's real time. Much easier to play with it. Edgeware. How to get edgeware here? Let me just get some Lego shader in here, like see what we could grab from that. Lego. It's a really cool shader that I bought from Blender Market a long time ago. I like to use parts of it for all kinds of things because it's got really nice surface imperfections and yeah, it's a bunch of cool stuff. Does it have edge awareness? Edgeware, it does. But it doesn't seem to work properly. Edgeware radius. No, this doesn't seem to work. Or maybe it just needs more geometry. No, that's not it. That's not it, chef. Yeah, all of this stuff is really useful. Dense, dirt. Ooh. Or maybe you need UV. Okay. Interesting idea. Let's see. That, and then we do edgeware. Didn't change anything here, but maybe it changes something on the bunny. Let's see. Smart UV project. I'm going to do that for now. Okay, let's see. Let's plug that back in. No, I don't see anything. I don't think that's it. Yeah, I don't see anything. Yeah, man, I don't think that's it. Sad. Alright, I want to get some of these nice imperfections from here. Let me get those scratch textures. Where are they? Little scratches, that's cool. Nice texture. Flakes. Fingerprints. Yeah, I think I want to get the scratches here. That's pretty cool, yeah. Okay, let me just yoink this this whole group here. Can we do that? Ah, we just we just copy the background. Okay. Guess we can just select everything here. Copy and paste. Nice, nice. And this one needs a vector. Can we just select this reroute and do Control T? Yes, nice. But I don't want the image though. Just put this in here. Okay, and then this. Let's see what this gives us. Yeah, looks like it's giving us the scratches, but instead of UV I'm going to use object. Because the UV map is not really that good. Alright, cool, we got that. Looks pretty good. I'm going to use a ramp to make it a bit stronger. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, alright. And then we're gonna put those in... Where we're gonna put them in? Maybe it's a normal map? I guess a bump here, maybe? Color to height. Ooh, that's very pixely. Yeah, but we only need a little bit of it. Oops. 0.1. 0.01. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, okay, that's not bad. Yeah, the strength a little bit less. Then I also want to mix that in with the base color a little bit. So I'm gonna get the base color. Let's just go with the RGB for now. And we're gonna mix that with this color here. Put that to the base. To multiply with that, right? Should work that way. It's compiling the shaders. Alright, cool. Yeah, that worked. That's pretty good already. Just a little bit less like that. That's cool. Okay. So yeah, really would like some edgeware on this, but I couldn't figure out how to get that. Maybe we can just in general color these parts a little bit different to like look a little different. That could be cool. Oh, actually, I think we can completely isolate those with using a color ramp here, right? Because this one gives us basically, yeah, this gives us that. So if we use the ramp to isolate the edges that are being created by that, we should get what we need. Other direction. Yeah, that could work. Then we want to go back into black after that, so like this. Yes. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, this should give us the edges, at least a part of the edge. Yeah, no, that should work. Okay. So I'm gonna mix this. Can I recall this? Rename edge edges. Okay, then we're gonna mix that. I guess we can just mix that in here too for now, just to make them a bit darker. Oh, we probably need to invert it, right? Okay, yeah, now we got something going on here. It's not bad. But it doesn't look that natural. Actually, black for the bunny is pretty cool. Get the invert here, put the invert in between, and make this black. And then maybe instead of multiply, we can add it. Yeah. Okay, let's add it. Screen. I think we need to invert it though. Yeah, we need to invert that. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I like the black bunny, dark bunny. Okay, I think the bump can be a bit stronger again. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Feels pretty cool. Okay, we did lose the edges now though. Turn down the factor of the invert. Wait. This is still the edges, right? Yeah. Maybe it's actually cooler if we let the glow spread out a little bit, right? So I think that was glow. Was it this? No, I think we. Let's see, emission strength. This and that. And this. Yeah, so we want to. This instead of constant, we have it ease out. And yeah, we have it ease upwards. Let's see. Yeah, that's not bad. That's kind of cool. I wanna make it a little less though, so I'm gonna add another one. Yeah, I guess this gray should work. Push it down here. That way the slope should be a bit darker. Or did it do the opposite? Oh wait, no. Yeah, just a little bit like this. Yeah, that's cool. That looks pretty nice. Maybe I want less holes though to make them feel a little bit more special when they appear. Ooh, this is also pretty cool, giving them a bit more detail. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's kind of cool. And I definitely want the eyes to have something in there too. Maybe I'll just... Yeah, let's see. I'll put a pill in this similar shape in there. Material preview. This one I don't want any of the scene lights over it yet. Bum. I wanted to... Oh yeah, I wanted to add pills into the eyes. Mesh. Do we have pills as objects? I don't think so, right? Or maybe if we search for it. Pill. Maybe I need some extra objects here. Extra extensions. Extra mesh objects. Yeah, let's get that. And some extra curve objects too. Why not? Okay, let's see if we got something now. Mesh. Pill. Still no pill? Wow, okay. That's kind of strange. Okay, so we gotta build our own pill then. I guess we can do that with a cylinder and 2 half spheres. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, cylinder, mesh, UV sphere, and it should have the same resolution, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna just isolate these, go full screen. Then I'm just gonna cut all of these out. I can also remove the top and bottom face here. And then I'll just duplicate this, rotate it by 180 degrees and go Z -2. Oh, -1. Wait, what? 2. Okay, there we go. And then we join these, edit mode, select everything, and remove doubles or mesh by distance. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Now we got our pill. I just wish we had a we had a as a primitive object. That would be much easier. Wait, let's mess this. Yeah, maybe I actually wanted to lay inside like this. Let's see how that looks. Just a bit. Oh yeah, what I also read is that emission objects now actually do emit onto surfaces. So if I go into rendered, what is lighting up this cube right now? Oh, I think it's because the shader is still in preview mode. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Background. Is there a light here? I guess that's it. It doesn't have any shadows yet. Blah, blah, blah. Shadow. Oh no, it does. Okay. It's like that. It already has shadows. Why do I... This doesn't change anything. That's strange. Why do I have this button if it doesn't do anything? Okay, but let's see. Oh yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, it's actually lighting up the environment now. It's not perfect, but it does light it up. That must be the new ray casting, how's it called? Ray tracing, yeah. Really cool, that's really cool. You just want to see the quality difference here. Doesn't look any different to me. Hi Keanu, just tuning in. What is your idea for the challenge? I'm still kind of like just jamming a little bit. Like I wanted to like give this bunny a cool shader, a cool look, and then see where it goes from there. Like maybe we like get a specific vibe. At the moment it looks pretty sci-fi, right? Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. Oh wow, okay, now I have an idea. Like the hotspots like create light, right? So I wanna maybe make it look like it's beaming rays out into space. That could be cool. But yeah, I'm really impressed that Eevee now has, yeah, like emission objects actually cast light. Like it's not perfect, right? It's all like screen space based. Screen trace. Light probe, is this anything else? But yeah, still. Very cool. Precision. Maximum roughness. Denoising. Doesn't look any different. It still looks very noisy. Does this denoising do anything? Illusion. Ah, okay. Ah, that's cool. So yeah, global illumination is what does this. Oh. Oh, this looks so good. And still performant. Oh, that looks very good. Let's do... let's just push it to the maximum. If it doesn't crash my PC. Precision doesn't change anything. Raise. Oh, this also makes it look cleaner. Oh, but it does start to lag now. Okay, I see. Don't overdo it. $32. Nice. Distance. Ah, okay, you can clamp that off. That's cool. Yeah, all of this is really nice. I'm very impressed. Okay, let's put it back into the rabbit here. I'm gonna do it with the Fresnel again, because I love Fresnel so much. Multiply it so it can be much brighter. I'm not sure if I like the Fresnel on this one. Maybe if it was the opposite. For that we can use the... Wait, not the peg facing, what was it? The layer weight, right? Oh yeah, that has the facing, yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this is almost like a Fresnel, I guess. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. If like it has like a slit like that, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think we can do that with a gradient, like put it on this pill permanently. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, gradient, texture. Put that on here. Okay, we almost got it already. So let's get a ramp in here, color ramp. Just clamp that in a way where it looks good. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Spooky. That's nice. Duplicate into the other eye. I like that look a lot. It should be inside a little more. Yeah. That's cool. These eyes, man. They look evil and derpy at the same time. Okay, so now that we got that as a mask, we can make it glow again. And I want to make maybe the center glow. Let's see. So that would be the other way around, right? Let's get an invert here. That's kind of cool. Let's get a principled. Oops. Like that, and we're going to use this on the emission strength. The base color can be white, so it reflects. Yeah, I want it to reflect everything. Very cool. Like that, okay. Oh, I think we need... Oh, yeah, we actually need this after the inversion. So we can make it brighter, not darker. Cool. This actually looks pretty nice. Very interesting look, yeah. It's cool. Yeah, a little bit losing the eye shape, the original one. Maybe there's a way to get it back. Maybe we can color this differently. Not really. Rougher. And then a different color. Oh, I guess we can give it the... That looks kind of cool. Yeah, okay, let me give it the same color here. Boom, boom, boom. This, okay. Just to be sure, I'm gonna create a little... Oh, no, it overrode it. Okay. So, a cool way to kind of like get the same color into different places is by turning an RGB node into a group, right? And then using that, renaming that main color. And then if I paste this anywhere in my project and plug that into the base color here, So yeah, if I go in and I change it, it changes the base color everywhere where I use that node. So that is very useful. But it does actually look different from like the one object to the other one. This looks more the same, yeah. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty cool. Evil bunny, evil metal bunny. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to play around with some volumetrics. Let's see how good Eevee Next is with volumetrics. I'm gonna put in the light category. Just give me a cube, and then I'll turn that into a volume scatter. Oh, this is from the sunlight, I see, okay. Let me just turn that off for now. It doesn't look like... Okay, it doesn't look like the emission is affecting the volume though, that's kind of sad. Yeah, that's kind of sad. Yeah, let's try that. It's just creating a cube. Yeah, you can clearly see it's affecting the cube here. But not the volume. Okay, let me just try if I turn this into a emission object, if it does anything with the volume. Nah. Ah, that's too bad. Maybe it's a render setting. Maybe change, let's see, volumes. Ah, okay, that's sad. I mean, it would have been amazing if they figured out how to do that. It's not there yet. I've got an idea how to maybe fake it. Let's see. Okay, so my idea is we get kind of like a grid of intersecting planes, and make them transparent, and maybe that way it will interact with the emission objects. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to like figure out a way to fake it now. Let's see if that actually works. So my idea is we go... Oh, actually, let's use geometry nodes for that. That should be interesting. Okay, so we want to do an array, right? And there's a repeat zone for that, right? Yeah, repeat, iterations, and I'm gonna do a transform. I need to transform the original. Oh, fuck the original geometry. Let's just get a plane in here. Wait, where's the plane? Input, geometry. There was a way to like get like meshes in here, right? Primitives, yes. Grid, yes, right. It was grid, not plane. Okay, so iterations. Got this geometry in here. And then this out. And I want to basically transform the geometry by z.1, and then if I repeat it, it should do... Ah, shit, but it's not merging them. Maybe I need to add a merge... Wait, what was it? Join, right? Join geometry. This with the original. So that way... Yeah, that way we get the true stacking. Okay, cool. So we got that going. And then the shader... I'm gonna make a new shader here and just reduce the alpha. Oh, it's not actually using the alpha. That's okay. Fake volume shader. Maybe I can just plug that into the geometry nodes. Okay. Material. Material, set material, yes. Set the material for all of that with the fake volume. Oops, yes, exactly. Fage volume. Okay, let me save that. Alien bunny challenge Canva v1. Okay. It looks like it's actually doing it. Alright, okay, this is interesting. Let's do this one, very small, a lot of iterations. Oops. Maybe too many iterations. Uh-oh, I wanted too many iterations, and this is what I get. Oh, it actually crashed. Yeah, this is the original file. Okay, let me open up Blender again. Okay, there we go. Let's go into final render mode. Okay, so we're back. Okay, let's just do 30. That shouldn't be enough. That shouldn't be too much, right? Oh, I think what's happening because it's like exponential growth. It's not. Oh yeah, okay. No, I get what's happening because every time I merge or I join the geometry, it joins it with all the ones that came before it. So that means it's by the power of 2, right? It's like joining. It's creating new planes by the power of 2 with each iteration. So how would I get around that? With geometry nodes. Extrude. Matrix. Array. There's no automatic array feature. Okay, I don't know it yet, so let's just use modifiers for now. So array constant and in the z direction a little bit and then a lot of counts. I'm gonna make the distance very small. This would basically be it's almost like a voxel engine now. But yeah, it's super okay, this is super fast. Okay, so we need this alpha. It looks like it's working. Alright. But I want it to also be in both directions, right? X, Y, and Z, so it's like intersecting. So let's do more. Yeah, this is really no problem. This is like I can do so many of these. Okay, so I can do it manually by just duplicating it and rotating it. Is there like a automatic way for this? Okay, I'll just do it manually to just see if it works. So that means I need to duplicate this, rotate in this direction by 90 degrees. So I basically want to have like X, Y, and Z axes. And then another one that should go in this direction. Okay, so this should basically give us like a voxel grid of intersections and hopefully also some volume calculation, some fake volume. I think it's actually working. Is it? I'm super sure. It looks like it's working, but since it's screen space, it's also very dependent on where you look at it from, right? there is some brightness in the air here. There's some bright pixels around it, so I feel like it's working. Let's see roughness. Let's see what these sliders help with. Okay, oh, this creates very interesting. Metallic. Roughness. Subsurface? Does this do anything interesting? Maybe if I put the alpha all the way up and we use subsurface. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Oh no, we don't even see the bunny anymore. It's making the bunny completely invisible. But there is some softness happening, I can see. There's like a slight glow around it, I think. Trying to fake volume in Blender with Eevee. Okay, maybe this is not the solution. Subsurface. It's definitely behaving like the volume, right? Like it's... I mean, yeah, when we look at it, it looks... Oh! Yeah, it definitely is behaving like a volume. Yeah, for sure. There's something volume-esque happening in here. Maybe it's also render settings. Some roughness. I want them to be really bright. Maybe I just need to make the vision here much brighter. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's helping to make it visible. Start to look like a hologram. Interesting. Yeah, it's got... I mean, it's doing something, but it's not doing exactly what we want from it. I mean, yeah, it's not made for this, so it's a bit hard to like control what it's doing. I can definitely tell there's some kind of atmosphere happening here, right? Like I think it's doing it correct as far as much as it can. Maybe I'm just asking too much of this, but it's doing it somewhat. But it's not gonna be enough for my idea. Yeah, it's somewhat working, but not enough for me. Okay, so I guess we gotta go without volumes. Or I just use this thing and like place it, because it does look interesting still. Yeah, maybe I'll just place it after. I'll play with it afterwards when we're a bit further down with our render. Fake. Wait, let's stay with fake volume. Some surface detail on this bunny. Oh yeah, and I want to turn down the mission strength here again. Make it look more realistic. I think I added 3 zeros, right? Or maybe even one more. Yeah, there we go. This looks nicer. I'm gonna place the camera already in kind of like a better position to a final render. I think I'm going for horizontal render this time. So 1080 by 1120. Yeah, the shape of the bunny definitely lends to that format. I think I want to make the eyes a little sharper. Like that, yeah. Subsurface. No, it doesn't really do anything. I think when you have metallic, you can't have subsurface. You can't have both at the same time. Okay. I would like to place it in a cockpit. Like I want it to feel like a alien in its spaceship, you know? Some way. Alien. Or maybe. What could an alien like this do? Be in an alien grass field. That could look cool. Yeah, okay, let's try to make a field of grass. Oh, they also had the idea of using... Oh, no, right. Eevee doesn't support panoramic rendering, right? Oh, no. Because like panoramic rendering you can have like really cool distorted lenses. But I guess we just gotta do that in post then. Okay, just gonna make it like wide angle. Vistra says, is Unreal allowed if we want to do the challenge in it, or is it only Blender for this challenge? Nah, man, I don't want to put limitations like that for these challenges, because I want everyone to be able to participate. So yeah, you can use whatever tool you want to use. Just be creative. Let's go! I'm also gonna add a focus object already. Camera, empty, focus. Then we can use this to point the camera to that. The field, focus. Oh wait, they actually did add this this eyedropper. Oh yeah, cool. With this one you can now, instead of having to have a focus object, you can just like eyedrop on the object that you want to focus on. Yeah, that's super cool. Okay, I'm still gonna use the focus object though. Okay, so let's try to create a field of grass. Oh no, the eyes. Gotta parent the eyes to the bunny. I guess I can also parent the focus object to the bunny. That should help. Then, yeah, then I'm going to move everything up so it sits on the ground here. Okay. Scale this up by 2. Oh, what's this? A fly. Then I'm gonna add some hair particles. Okay, hair length. Let's make it much shorter. So, and, I'm gonna use interpolation. How's that called again? And children interpolated. Yeah, that way we can keep the number of the guide hairs very low. Like this, and then interpolate. Yes. And then we can have a very dense field without many render problems. Okay, cool. Long hair. This doesn't make any difference. Threshold, no difference. Shape. Oh, it actually creates shadows in the grass already. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. I don't have much experience with the hair tools, to be honest, but actually, maybe we should actually use the geometry nodes system for hair. I think there was a new way to do that, right? Add curves, fur. There we go. Okay, and then I think through geometry nodes we can control it, and also through the is it with sculpt mode? Yeah. Here we can add new ones, and we can comb them. I want to make them longer though, so I can do that with this, right? Yeah. Ooh, they are too long. I want to comb them again here. Oh, maybe these are too long. These ones. Strength. How can I make them stiff? Ah, minus. Yes, here we go. Okay. Let's see what settings do we have here with the geometry nodes. Hair curve profile, radius, shape. This doesn't do much. Interpolate. Oh wait, these are the real hairs. Oh, that's very little amount of real hair. Interesting. Guides. Distance to guides. Density. Okay, this is probably just like the amount. Bottom mount. Okay, all of this makes sense for the interpolation. Just don't see them getting thick. Maybe I need to do that in here. Samir says the amount of work I'm having right now. IG? What's IG mean? This week's challenge 2 I'm gonna do at the last day. Damn, man. Well, as long as you participate, I'm very happy. And I'm also still happy that you have a lot of work. That you have work. Alright, Vistris, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, IG's, I guess. Okay, I see. Okay, I haven't figured out yet how to make this hair actually thick. Well, I don't know. Not sure. But I want to have more hair. By 2? Yeah. It's kind of nice. Puff, so I can like make them smooth. I want these to stand up again. Thought that would be puffing, but that doesn't do anything. Maybe because these are all interpolated. No, that actually doesn't do anything. Okay, let's give him a shader. For material. For hair. There was a shader for hair, right? Wasn't there a shader for hair? I'm pretty sure there was. Or was it just the principled? Hmm. Not sure. Let's get the HDRI in here and then like wrap up for today. Let's see. Let's get a sunset, and maybe then we can like change the colors. Real? No, it's fine. I don't need real only. Oh, actually, I have a pretty cool abstract sunset thing. HDRI. Yeah, this one is pretty cool. Where was the option for transparency again? Film. Ah, yeah, there we go. Ah, that's pretty cool. I'm also gonna get the fur material for this, for the floor. Okay. The hair's definitely way too thin. I don't know how to get it thicker right now. Alright, let's figure that out next time. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out now to dinner. Yeah. Alright, I'll see everyone tomorrow again. I hope you start working on the challenge. I'm really excited to see what everybody does with the bunny here. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow.